Hey everyone, welcome to the Kiran Edits. Today we have a 50 interesting general knowledge questions to challenge your mind. Each question has 3 options. Can you find the right one before the time is run out? So smash the subscribe button and let's see who is more intelligent. Let's begin with this question. Which planet is known as the morning star? Mars, Venus or Jupiter? Let's pick wisely. Time's up! The correct answer is B. Venus. Next one. What is the only fruit that carries its seeds on the outside? Strawberry, blueberry or kiwi? You got it or not? Great job! If you guess it, the correct answer is strawberry. Okay, which animal is known to have the strongest bite in the world? Shark, Nile crocodile or lion? Great, that was a tough one, but hope you guess it. The option B is correct. Next challenge. Which is the only continent that has no active volcanoes? Option A, B or C? Choose wisely. The option B is correct answer. Did you get it, guys? It's round 5. What was the first animal ever sent into the orbit around the Earth? Can you guess it, guys? Wow, it's such a historic moment, guys. The correct answer is option A. Next one. In which country was the game of chess originally invented? China, Russia or India? How many can you guess this one? Brilliant! The correct answer is India. If you know that, you are superb. It's time for the expert bonus riddle. This one is tricky, so be careful. I have cities but no houses. I have mountains but no trees. I have water but no fish. What I am? Can you guess it, guys? Only a true intelligent can guess it. Answer is a map. Did you figure it out, guys? Comment below. This next question. Which bird is the national symbol of the United States? Option A, B or C? Pick one. A classic symbol. The correct answer is option B. Hope you guess it. What is the most common gas found in the Earth's atmosphere? Oxygen, nitrogen or carbon dioxide? Most people miss this. The option B is the correct answer. It's next round. Which creature is famous for having 3 hearts? Octopus, whale or a white shark? I think it's easy to guess. The correct answer is octopus. How many did you guess this correctly? Tell me in the comment. Okay, what is the hardest natural substance found on our planet? Iron, gold or diamond? Unbeatable strength. The correct answer is option C, diamond. Next, which country is home to the most islands in the world? Indonesia, Sweden or Canada? Sweden is correct answer. Wow, this is a lot of island. How many bones are in the body of a shark? 0, 50 or 200? Can you guess it, guys? Surprise! The correct answer is option A. They are made of cartilage. Next round. Who was the famous scientist who discovered law of universal gravitation? Which option is correct, guys? An apple led the way. The correct answer is option B, Newton. Next round. What is the capital city of Japan? Pick it before the time's up. A busy city. The correct answer is option C, Tokyo. Which gas do plants observe to produce their own food? Carbon dioxide, oxygen, or hydrogen? The correct answer is carbon dioxide, essential for life. How many players are on a standard soccer team on the field? 9, 11, 12. Ready for the match, guys? The correct answer is 11. Hope you guess it. Okay, next question. Which animal is the first swimmer in the entire ocean? Can you guess the right option, guys? Moving like a rocket. Zoom. The correct answer is sailfish. In which year did the first human walk on the moon? 1965, 1969 or 1972? A day of remember. The 1969 is the correct answer. Next question. What is the largest organ we have? Liver, heart or your skin? What do you think, guys? The correct answer is skin because it's cover everything. Which country originally invented the dessert we know as ice cream? China, Italy or France? A sweet history. China is correct answer. I love ice creams, guys. Which planet has the most moons in our solar system? Option A, option B or option C? As of 2026, the leader is option B is correct. Next one. What is the official chemical symbol for gold? A, B or C? Pick one. Hope you guess it, guys. Pure gold. Option A is correct answer. Which creature can see both infrared and ultraviolet light? All goldfish or snake? It's tricky one. What a view! The correct answer is a goldfish. Hope you guess it. How many colors are in the standard rainbow? It's easy one. 6, 7 or 8. Correct answer is 7. Wow, such a beautiful colors. Hope you guess this right. Next question. What is the largest hot desert in the world? Gobi Desert, Sahara Desert or your Kalahari Desert? Great job! The correct answer is Sahara Desert. Stay hydrated. Which country was the first to ever use paper money? Egypt, Greece or China? Change the word. The correct answer is China. Hope you guess it. What is the name of the tallest mountain on earth? I think it's not everybody. Can you guess it, guys? Reaching the clouds. The correct answer is Mount Everest. Which insect can live for several weeks even without its head? Ant, beetle or cockroach? Option C, cockroach is correct answer. Yuck, I hate them so much. Next one, which sport has the most fans around the globe? Soccer, cricket, basketball? The beautiful game. The correct answer is soccer. Hope you guess it. Which planet is often called the red planet? Venus, Mars, Mercury? The correct answer is Mars. Dusty and red. Next question. What is the smallest country in the world of land area? Which option is correct, guys? Can you tell me? Teeny but mighty. The correct answer is option C. Next round. Which animal is officially the slowest in the world? A, B or C? Pick wisely. No rush here. The correct answer is option B, sloth. What is the name of the process plant used to turn sunlight into energy? What do you think? Which option is correct, guys? Nature is smart. The correct answer is photosynthesis. Hope you guess it. Next one. Which famous artist painted the Mona Lisa? Option A, B or C? Which one you choose, guys? A masterpiece. The correct answer is option B. Next question. Which is the longest river in the world? A long journey. The correct answer is Nile River. Hope you guess it right. It's bonus challenge. The Great Wall of China is visible from the moon with naked eyes. Is true or false? Can you guess it correctly? Yup, it's false. It's only a famous myth, guys. Hope you guess it. Which of these creatures never sleeps? Shark, bullfrog or jellyfish? Always awake. The correct answer is bullfrog. What is the name of fairy in the story of Peter Pan? Tinkerbell, Elsa or Jasmine? Just added the fairy dust. Tinkerbell is correct answer. Next question. Which country produces the most coffee in the world? The coffee capital. The correct answer is Brazil. Next question. How many hours are in one full week? Can you guess the right option, guys? Did you calculate it? The option B is the correct answer. Which language is spoken by the most people as their first language? English, Chinese or Spanish? The option B is the correct answer. How many did you get right, guys? Tell me in the comments below. What is the only continent that is also a single country? Africa, Australia or Europe? Down under, the correct answer is Australia. How many keys are there on a standard grand piano? 76, 88, 92. Play the music. The correct answer is 88. Which of these animals has the longest lifespan? Elephant, brown-head whale or giant tortoise? Living for centuries. The correct answer is B, brown-head whale. Next question. What is the main ingredient used to create glass? Sand, salt or clay? Heat it up. The correct answer is option A, sand. Round 45. Which country is famous for the Eiffel Tower? Italy, Germany or France? The correct answer is France. Hope you guess it right. What was the name of the first satellite ever sent into the space? Option A, B or C. Choose wisely. The space age began. The option A is the correct answer. Keep them clean. The correct answer is option B, 32. Which fruit is the most popular in the world by sales? Apple, banana, orange. A healthy snack. A correct answer is option B, banana. It's bonus round. Can you guess the country by these emoji clues? The correct answer is Italy, the home of delicious pizza. What is the name of the official currency used in the United Kingdom? Euro, dollar or pound sterling? Here's the last round. Which animal is the national symbol of Scotland? Unicorn, dragon or a golden eagle? Can you guess it before the time's up? A magical choice. The correct answer is unicorn. And that completes our 50 questions general knowledge challenge. How many did you manage to get correct? Tell us in the comments below. See you in the next video. Bye bye.